Hi folks, it is Nicola here from Boost Your Practice. Just doing a quick video today. I was talking to a coaching client earlier this week, and a common problem that people have came up, which was reporting that there was a team member that seemed to get more cancellations than other people. So looking at cancellation rates across the month and seeing that one of their associates always seemed to have a higher cancellation rate, and they just didn't really feel like equipped to deal with that or to have the conversation, because they didn't want to make the associate feel like they were failing or people didn't like them, God forbid. And often there's a really easy and simple solution to this. So it just involves putting a little bit of training in place to make sure that your associates are properly communicating their treatment plan to their patients. Because the one phrase that will increase your cancellation rates in your team will be, "I'll see you next week then." And that's it. And "I'll see you next week then." Because if the patient doesn't have a clear idea of where you're going with the treatment plan and what's happening next, they can be under the false impression that you're just going to keep seeing them weekly infinitum, and well, you might as well set up a direct debit because it's going to take that long, or that you're overbooking them. So it's really, really important to make sure that they are communicating the treatment plan, number one, and number two, outlining what's going to happen in the next session. Okay, so finishing a session with something like, you've got a much better quality of movement today and your range of movement is really starting to come. So next week we're going to start doing some much more mobilization techniques to your back, your shoulder, your neck, whatever it is, to really start to get your range of movement back to normal, so that you can get back to lifting your kids, being able to get your shirt on without needing help, being able to get your shoes and socks on and off, whatever it is. Pick a frustration that they're having that's specific to them, and make a little bit of time to do some training with your team members about this, and you'll see those cancellation rates will start to drop for that team member that's lagging behind everybody else. Because most of the time it isn't a personality thing, it isn't that people don't like them, it often is just a little chink in their communication skills, little weakness there, and that tiny little insertion can make a really big difference. So guys, I hope you find that useful, and I will speak to you soon. Bye bye now.